Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. How are you guys doing today? This will be the second time I'm filming this video. The first time honestly, footage is not good enough for me and I didn't want to give you guys a kind of crappy video overall. I liked some of the look that I came up with, but I didn't like all of it. So it was the collection with the new collection by Natasha, Denona, the new Mini Love collection. I got the palette and I purchased the cream blush and highlighter, and I really enjoyed how the look I made with this, like my complexion products. My complexion looked so good. I loved it. The eye look, not so much. I felt like it was kind of a disaster, and no, I didn't want to show that. So instead, I'm going to film it again and hope for a better outcome this time. We will, because I'm going to do one eye first and then come back on camera and show you guys how to do the other one. I just kind of wanted to come out with for the intro, just kind of a blank face, you could say. I already have my foundation, my bronzer, eyebrows, primer on, everything. I just wanted to do an eye look and then play with this baby, and then of course lips later on. Alright, kind of a long intro, sorry about that. With that, I hope you guys consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button to let me know that you are liking the content, and then don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh, well, I'll be right back to show you how I create the look. Oh, here's the look I created. I like it a lot better than the last one. It's actually quite simple. It looks a little complicated, but it's really not. But we'll see how it goes once I put mascara on. That's what it looks like. So we have You Are My True Love, and there we go, and that's that one. Okay, so we're gonna take that matte lilac and just put it right here on the first half of my eye. Let me grab a smaller mirror. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit more. Okay, like so. So we're gonna put this on the first half of my eye. It's kind of gonna be like a halo eye, but not so much. Kind of more watercolor-esque, just pretty romantic kind of look. Making sure that's actually there. I was kind of questioning myself halfway through the look. I'm like, does this actually look nice? But you know, you have to trust the process, and hopefully the process does not go wrong for me again. Okay, it's just gonna be super blended. Kind of clean that off and just really blend what I have on there. There we go. Super blended. Now we're gonna take R and start packing it in the outer corner just a little bit. Oh, I went a little crazy there. Then we're gonna take what's left and kind of start blending it upwards. Let me clean off my brush a little bit, because this is going to be the outer half, or the outer half of my eyelid. Yeah, the outer half. Now this one is a little harder to blend just because it is a darker shade, and then this shade, it blends beautifully, but you kind of have to pack it on sometimes first. Pack it on there first and then kind of just blend it to make a soft little blend. Okay. I know that looks patchy, but remember, this is my eye. This is not the eyeshadow. On this eye, I should have done it on this side now. Next time I'll remember not to do it on this side, just because this eye has eczema, so it tends to look patchy, but once I fix it with shimmer, it looks fine. So just remember, it's not necessarily the eyeshadow, it's just my eye there. Forgot about that, you guys, I'm sorry. So we're gonna just pack it lightly on there. See, you can see the difference now. Just gonna blend it softly, so as to not to get any patchiness again. Okay, I think that's where I kind of want it. Kind of blend them together like so. Okay, in my little mirror it looks fine, but it looks a little still patchy on in that. But once you put shimmer on, it'll be fine. Yeah, so let's put shimmer on. We're gonna go with Love, that gold and pink duochrome, and just put on that all. Put that shade all over my lid. Do you guys see how it almost looks like a different color here because of that packed plum? That's why I kind of wanted that effect. And yep, it happened. I'm gonna pack it up here too into the crease. Make it a very, very seamless kind of look. No cut crease business here today. Alright, now we're gonna pack you just slightly. Press it onto my finger and just go straight to the middle. Like so. I'm gonna put mascara on, eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put the My as an inner corner highlight, and I'll be right back. For eyeliner, I took the ColourPop Hocus Pocus Trick or Treat, and then, you know, I put what is it, My in the inner corner. And mascara, I used still my samples from Huda Beauty. Actually, they give a lot in this deluxe sample, and I really love this mascara. I know I've said it, and yep, that's what the final eye looks like. And then got the blush and glow palette, and this is what it looks like. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, hold on, look. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking cool. Honestly, packaging did me in for this one. So you have the shade what is it called, Pink Coral from the Daria palette. I don't have that. I've never owned that palette, so I don't know if it's the same, or I can't do comparison purposes, but I've seen that it looks the same on other videos. And then we have the Glow Impact Powder, the same as I Need a Nude, in the shade Pink and Gold Champagne Duochrome. Oh my gosh. Alright, so today, the last time I tried it on the last video, I used a sponge, but today I'm going to go in with today I'm going to go in with the brush that I like to use for cream and liquid blushes, and this is the Luxie Dual Fiber 516. Okay, let's see. It's very pink, but I also noticed it kind of, I want to say, it dries down, but it still gives you a nice glow. So I'm going to start a little bit of Smile right here, because this is a very pigmented blush, you guys. I like to go kind of high with my blush. I feel like that kind of gives you more of a little bit more of a lifted look. And just go on the other side now. You guys know that I didn't actually like pink blushes for a while there, but I'm kind of starting to get into them, but not too much. Like, I feel that liquid, as far as the pink goes for me, liquid, and I'm wiping off my brush a little bit, liquid blushes are the way to go for me for pink blush, the color, because I feel like I can work with it better. And I mean, you can do the same with powder, but as far as for me, I definitely prefer a cream or liquid for pink. Just easier to manipulate and work with, to be honest. Not work with, to get the level of color that I want. You see that glow? Just a little bit on my nosy. Oh, you know what? Whatever's left. Going with a different brush, because I went in with a new brush from ColourPop and I didn't like how it went on my skin. So today I'm gonna go in with the setting brush from Real Techniques, which is it's one of the brushes that I absolutely love for highlight. Wow, I can't speak today, you guys. And I have to film another video after this. Here we go. Top it off a little bit, and let's start here in the back and work our way forward. Maybe I went a little too high. There, okay, there we go. Let's make a C. Oh, yeah, this brush is definitely better. Like, you can still see some glitter, but honestly, it doesn't bother me as much as yesterday. Yesterday was pretty bad. Oh, what was it yesterday? Whatever day I filmed. So this is one of the looks for Valentine's that I will be creating, and I had a different plan for Valentine's Day, but because of scheduling and, you know, other commitments, I just like school and stuff and work, I just couldn't get what I wanted done for Valentine's Day. So there'll be some fun videos for around Valentine's Day, but this is definitely like one of them. Wow, so much better, you guys. I just kind of let it sit. Let's go in for lips. For lips, I really like the combo that I created that day, which is the soft spoken liner, and I'm just gonna go in with the liquid lipstick also from NYX for my liquid for my lips. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is the final look. I actually kind of curled my hair today. Thought that would look cute, and I really like it. I like it a lot more than the last look that I created. It was just like so much more glam, so much more pink, so much more Valentine's Day, and I really like it. And of course, I really like my cheeks. They're so glowy. I like it. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you guys think. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I feel so much better about it. I really like this look. I like how dramatic it is. I do feel like the shade, just really quick to recap the products, the shade Mine is a little patchy. Even on this side, it's a little patchy as I was trying to blend a little bit more. I like the shape that I created, but it's kind of hard to because it was such a little bit of a patchy shade. But I'll keep trying it and let you guys know. The rest of them worked really well, and you know, for me it's a little bit harder to create looks on camera, but you know, I give it my best effort, and I'll let you know more about my thoughts about the whole palette overall, but especially that shade. And then the Love Cheek Duo, I mean, I love this already. The reason I got this blush, to be honest, was because of this, the highlight, which I was never even to highlights like that. But I just thought this color was so unique, so pretty, and of course, like the imprint. And also the fact that it's the Glow Impact, the same as the I Need a Nude. That's what really convinced me, because I really, really like the highlight on that. But I feel like this one's just a little bit more glittery than the I Need a Nude. I Need a Nude is just pure glow, and it might have a little bit of an overspray, so I'll work through that and then let you guys know my thoughts. As far as the blush, I did not think that I would maybe start to love this blush as much as I do, but I do, and I'm glad that it's that shade. Very, very romantic, also very well, like pretty color for spring, very light, very airy, just very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and just let me know, you know, what you want to see from me in the future. And take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.